Happy unpack day as we check out the barely new Galaxy Z Fold 5 and how does it compare to the Z Fold 4 and the Fold 3 and decide whether you should upgrade or not. First up, let's try to find what is new with the Fold 5. Design wise, it looks the same. Yes, we have the same outer screen size, same specs for the inner display. Despite the new water droplet hinge design, which makes the Fold 5 shut completely closed, which makes it feel a bit thinner compared to Fold 4, still it's not a huge difference in real life. Plus the crease is pretty much the same as last year. We also get the same cameras on the back, which still doesn't have 4K 60fps video, only ultra wide angle lens. Same battery size, same fast charging speeds. Like literally the only new change you can see is the new color and perhaps the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which is running the show inside, of course, for better performance and better battery life. But unlike the Galaxy S22 series, which had the Exynos problem where the 8 Gen 2 was such a big deal, with the Fold 4 and Fold 5, that is not the case because the Fold 4 still rocks a very good, still very capable Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, which means the chip is the only big upgrade. Sadly, it's not gonna be a strong reason to upgrade from the Fold 4. While I do love this ice blue color with the Fold 5, it is painfully obvious that Samsung has failed to innovate with their 5th generation Fold product. I mean, I would have loved to see a 10x optical zoom or a better flagship main camera sensor or even a bigger outer screen. Literally nothing happened. It's pretty much a Fold 4 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which means the best Fold to buy right now from Samsung has to be the Z Fold 4. On top of being the same package as the Fold 5, it is still having 3 major OS updates to its name. So longevity wise, the Fold 4 is still a pretty good option and it's gonna be cheaper to purchase. Even if you're using the Fold 3, the Fold 4 should still be a great upgrade. I gotta say, in my 10 years of tech experience, this is probably the most underwhelming product release in a year-on-year cycle from Samsung. I'm personally going to hold on to my Fold 4 for another year. Perhaps with the Fold 6, we'll see the upgrades we deserve, especially at this price. A bigger outer screen, flagship camera sensor, along with a proper periscope zoom setup. At this point, even Google is offering a better zoom setup on their Pixel Fold, so really Samsung has no excuse for not to go all the way out, especially considering the 5th generation of its Fold. But that's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments section below. I also did a video on the Z Flip 5. That is something that has some huge changes, so be sure to check that out. Link is in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.